Today's story is Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. And the author of this book is Kimberly and James Dean. Is Pete the Cat? He's not a frog, is he? Nope. But there's a frog in the story. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes. They have milk and flour, and their Pete the Cat is mixing it up. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done, and they're all on the windowsill. Oops, it moved. You see them here? Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there were 10. Pete said, but maybe we need to count again. Let's see if we can count these in. Let me hold the book up. Yeah, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there's only 8. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found a clue. Gus said, look what I have found. There are sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles. Squirrel said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee. Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Okay, let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. What did they see here? They see some animal footprints. What animal could that be? Pete said, I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat. Alligator said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs. Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cupcakes left. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. I bet it was Turtle, said Pete. I know Turtle loves sweets. Turtle said, it wasn't me. I couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Look at the cupcakes. I'm going to move the book really close so you can see the cupcakes. Somebody is taking another cupcake. Do you see? What kind of animal is that? Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. There were none. There were 0. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. All right, I see some more sprinkles here on the ground. And I see some more animal tracks. What animal is it? They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus have solved the case. I'm so sorry. It was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate until there were none. See his icing on his face? It's all around his lips. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance, because that's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. And up here the sign says, Pete the Cat's Cupcake Party. That's the end. On this page, there's lots of different cupcakes. I thought it was a really cool page just to show you. And that's the end.